Alright, now we have this product variation list. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to add the product variations inside the database. Okay, so we already have this database field here. Inside the cart items we have this variation field. So now what we are going to do is we are going to add the color and size. Okay, like this we want to add. So for that we will go to this we will go to this add cart function here again, and we are getting the product variation list here. Okay, so inside this list we will be having the color and the size. Okay, for example, white and small, or blue and medium, something like that. Okay, so let me recall this. We are getting the product here. Okay, and we are getting the product variation here, and we are getting the cart here. Now we are getting the cart item here, right? So now we want to work here. Okay, so um, so we first need to check if this product variation list is empty or not. Okay, so if this is empty, then we are just going to update the quantity, and if it is not empty, then we are going to add the item inside the database. So this is how we check it. We actually need to use the length function. Okay, so let's say if length of this product variation is greater than 0. Okay, so now we want to loop through this product variation, because this can have multiple items. Okay, so that, for example, this is right now this is having a color and size. Okay, so now we have to loop through it for item in product variation. So now here what we'll do, we will just say cart item dot variations dot add. Okay, what to add now? Add this item. Okay, add this item. Okay, so the same code will go to here also. Just copy this, and in the accept block also. So when we don't have anything inside the cart, cart item, we should we are actually adding the new cart item here. In the new cart item also we should add the variation. Okay, so just paste it here. All right, and save the code. Let's say let's just go to here. I think go to the store. Okay, let's go to this eat ATX jeans, and let's start adding this white and small. Add. Okay, so this is added to the cart. Now let's see if it has added something here. Okay, so now we can see something here. Okay, so now we see this ATX jeans here, and you can see white and small. Okay, so this white and small is selected now. The same way, if we add something else. Okay, so there is a problem now, so we just need to get rid of this one. Okay, so we don't need this added to cart and view cart. Maybe we can just put view cart, but we don't want added to cart. Okay, so we again need to add the product to the cart with the different variations, right? So that's why this will not help in our case. Okay, let's just first remove this button. Okay, go to the code. It is inside the template. Okay, store, and here product detail.html. Let's find added to cart. Okay, here it is. So this one we don't need. So instead of this, what we'll do is we will just get rid of this both buttons. Okay, don't want this. Remove this as well. Just save, and now So here if single product of stock is less than or equal to 0, then this is out of stock. Otherwise we have this added to cart button. Okay, so that's fine. Now refresh. Okay, all right, we need to remove this, I guess. C4. All right, we need to remove this one also. Refresh. Now we have the add to cart. Now let's say blue and large, add to cart. Okay, the product quantity is increased, and okay, now the problem here is it is just keep on adding the the variations, but we don't want this. What we can do is we can just clear this variations first, then we can add the variations. Okay, so let's try that. Go to the views. Okay, so here if length of product variation is greater than 0, then we can just above this for loop. Okay, above this for loop, let's say cart item dot variations dot clear. Okay, then this for loop will run. The same will go here, the same code we'll put this here. Okay, now if we let's go to add another variation, green and medium. Let's refresh. Okay, now you can see it is selecting the green and medium. Okay, so this is proper now. So now we go to the cart, and in this place we want to show this the variations. Okay, so here, so let's go to the cart.html. In the templates, store and cart.html. See, here we have the color, and this is just a static value. Remove this, and now let's check if we have the variations. If cart item dot variations dot all, let's first end this if, and if, now let's say for cart items, for item in cart item dot variations dot all, and for, okay, inside here we will just say item dot variation category. So this variation category is nothing but this one. Okay, variation category and the variation value. Okay, so where is it? Here, variation category and item dot variation value. Okay, so now if we go here and refresh the page, now we can see color green and size medium. Okay, so this color we can just say we can make the C caps and the S caps also. We'll just do that. Here cap first, and here also let's make it is already capital first, but first. Okay, and we'll put a BR tag here so that this size will come under this one. Okay, let's refresh. All right, color green, size medium. Okay, so now let's add one more time, blue and medium. Okay, blue and medium, but the problem here, see, we got the problem here So the quantity is getting updated, but this variation is just getting updated. Okay, so it is replaced with the new one. Previous it was, I think, different, or white or something, like white or large or something, I don't remember. So let's see now. So blue and medium we have now. Let's add something else, green and small. Okay, so the previous one just got cleared and it was replaced with the new one. So we don't want this to happen. Okay, so this is not what we want actually, because we should be able to add the same product with the different different variations. So in the next one we'll see that. Okay, thank you.